Turn off these four things on your YouTube studio. This is the reason why most people are not going viral on YouTube. YouTube is a place that once you adhere to instructions, you will definitely go viral. Even if it's 10 video you upload on your YouTube channel as a beginner, you will go viral definitely. One video can give birth to 30,000 subscribers. I hope you are aware of it. The reason why I'm saying this, I came across this channel that was yesterday. I go through this channel, I find out that this person is just going, like, his video is just going viral. And one thing that will cause this thing is by what is your this in keywords, and these four things I'm going to be teaching you of. I'm going to be giving you this tutorial of. YouTube will only recommend your video once you do the right thing. And what are those right things? Is for you to watch, follow through the normal step on how to set your YouTube studio for it to go viral. Because some people doesn't go on research. You see these four things I'm going to be teaching you, I bet you guys, none of you guys know these things I'm going to be telling you about. And this thing, you are going to make use of your studio, your YouTube studio, because there are many features there you will be able to see. There are many options you'll be able to see, and most of those options, they are the most key things that will make you to go viral. In my last video, I talk about hashtags. Make use of your hashtags and your keywords. Now in this video, these four things I'm going to be teaching you, it will organize your channel, it will make people view your posts definitely, and even YouTube will be able to recommend your videos. Now if you are seeing me for the first time, do it by liking this video and don't forget to subscribe. So stay on as we go to the tutorial section. Alright, I'm in my studio now. For you to get to this page, you will go to your Chrome, type youtube.studio.com. It will show you this dashboard. So here now you go down, you look for channel customization. This place that they show magic, you click on it. Then here you are in channel customization now. Then you go to your this in home tab, you switch to your home tab. Then here is the interface I was talking about earlier. Then here you look at this, click on add section. Can you see this place that is dim? This one, they say channel trailer, spotlight for returning subscriber, for you videos, popular videos, short videos, live now, past live stream, upcoming live stream, single playlist, create playlist, multiple playlist, subscription, features channel, top channel, top community clips. Now can you see this thing? This one that is dim is the one that is the features I've already applied on my YouTube channel. Is the major important features I've already put in my YouTube channel. So can you see this one? This very one here you're seeing, this channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed to your channel. I've already done all this. Then you see this one, this spotlight for returning subscriber, I've done it. Then let me give you this tutorial now. Let me use one for example. You get, so let's say, okay, add a single playlist. You click on add a single playlist. Look at this video now. They give me this video as an option for me to add for a single playlist. Can you see it? So let's click on the video. I've already added it as a single playlist. Now as you've done this, look at the video I just added just now. Look at the video I added just now. See, one playlist, create a playlist, just one playlist. I've already added to it. So after which, don't forget, if you've already saved it, like, don't go back and think that you've already set it finish. You click on publish. This place that I put publish, you click on publish, it will load. Now you've already said, they say change publish, they say change publish, go to channel. So you after this change, you go to your channel, you see what you've set in this interface. So that's how you'll be able to do it till you are satisfied. Look at it, I've already put a single playlist. Look at it. So that's how you'll be doing it till everything go off like this, till everything be like go dim like this. You see all this sharp black, they are the features I've not applied. Then why all this dim black, they are the one I've already applied. So I hope this video meet you well, and I hope you like this video. Please, if you do, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe.